Question number 1. Meaning of chicken feed is A. A very small money. B. A huge money. C. Feed for thought. D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. A very small money. Question number 2. Meaning of cost an arm and a leg is A. War hero. B. Very expressive. C. Seen in battlefield. D. Very cheap. The correct answer is option B. Very expressive. Question number 3. Meaning of fly by night. A. Night journey. B. A bird busy in night. C. Cat's eye. D. Swindler. The correct answer is option D. Swindler. Question number 4. Synonym of exhort. A. Weak please. B. To urge strongly. C. Beg. D. Borrow. The correct answer is option B. To urge strongly. Question number 5. Antonym of blunt. A. Easy. B. Lazy. C. Sharp. D. Speedy. The correct answer is option C. Sharp. Question number 6. Antonym of brave. A. Achieve. B. Gain. C. Give. D. Cowardly. The correct answer is option D. Cowardly. Question number 7. Synonym of abjure. A. To give. B. To take back. C. Happy. D. Sorry. The correct answer is option B. To take back. Question number 8. Synonym of abrogate. A. Create. B. Run. C. Fascinate. D. Abolish. The correct answer is option D. Abolish. Question number 9. Unfortunately, he, a lot of money to the bank. A. Borrowed. B. Owed. C. Deposited. D. Lent. The correct answer is option B. Owed. Question number 10. I, the apartment all day yesterday. A. Clear. B. Washed out. C. Cleaned up. D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Cleaned up. Question number 11. Choose the word spelled correctly. A. Masculine. B. Masculine. C. Masculine. D. Maxilin. The correct answer is option C. Masculine. Question number 12. Choose the word spelled correctly. A. Beginning. B. Beginning. C. Beginning. D. Beginning. The correct answer is option B. Beginning. Question number 13. Choose the word spelled correctly. A. Ambulance. B. Ambulance. C. Ambulance. D. Imbalance. The correct answer is option A. Ambulance. Question number 14. Choose the word spelled correctly. A. Criticize. B. Critical. C. Criticize. D. Criticize. The correct answer is option C. Criticize. Question number 15. Choose the word spelled correctly. A. Substantial. B. Substantial. C. Substantial. D. Substantial. The correct answer is option B. Substantial. Question number 16. Synonym of botch. A. Positive effort. B. Blessing. C. Mild. D. Clumsy effort. The correct answer is option D. Clumsy effort. Question number 17. Synonym of brusque. A. Polite. B. Curt. C. Speed. D. Enjoy. The correct answer is option B. Curt. Question number 18. Synonym of chagrin. A. Delight. B. Levy. C. Vexation. D. Give up. The correct answer is option C. Vexation. Question number 19. Synonym of congruent. A. Of different shape. B. Of same shape. C. Salute. D. Dispose. The correct answer is option B, of same shape. Question number 20. Synonym of copious. A. Less. B. Good. C. Discourage. D. Plenty. The correct answer is option D, plenty.